Good morning, students. Now today your topic is question answer. Now first question, that is fill in the blanks. You have to fill up the appropriate word. Now first, forest serve as home to many types of dash. Forest serve as home to many types of what? Animals. You have to write animals. Now question number 2, forest absorb large amount of dash gas. Forest absorbs large amount of CO2 gas. Understand? Carbon dioxide gas. Now third question, deforestation dash the rainfall in the surrounding area. Deforestation decreases rainfall in the surrounding area. Understand? Now question number 4, dash is the largest bird sanctuary in Asia. Write down, Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary is the largest bird sanctuary in Asia. Now question number 5, for early man forest were a source of dash and dash. Write down food and shelter. Okay? Now we proceed on question number B, match the following. First, resins. Resins, you match the resins with paint. 1D. Have you corrected? Now question number 2, forest. Forest 2C, that is soil conservators. Now match the forest with soil conservator C, 2C. Understand? Now third, deforestation. Match the deforestation with cutting down of tree. Now question number 4, ashwagandha. Match the question number 4 with E, medicinal plant. Now question number 5, gums. Gums, match the fifth question with B, adhesive. Testing material. Now gums with adhesive. 5B. Understand? Now we proceed on question number C. The leaf used to make disposable plate is the what? B, areca nut leaves. Take the question number 1, B. Now question number 2, deforestation results in. Deforestation results in, write down D, all the above. Soil erosion, flood, low rainfall, all of these. That is D option. You have to tick the D. Understand? Now third, beeswax is used to make. Beeswax is used to make question number 3, C. Have you written? Yes. Question number 4, which of the following is not a forest product? D. Fourth ka D. Have you corrected? Fourth D. Now fifth, if forest disappear, the amount of what? C. Right? Tick the option C. Carbon dioxide in air will increase. Have you ticked? Now question number D. 1. Name any 4 products that are obtained from forest. Any 4 of your book. In book there are many products given. Any 4 products you can write. Write down oxygen, wood, honey, spices. You can write medicines, cloth, paper. Understand? Second, why do some men cut trees? Write down, they cut trees for their selfish interest. They cut trees for their selfish interest. That is for making building, for doing agriculture, or for establishing industries. Understand? Now question number 3. What is the Gir National Park famous for? It is famous for protecting Asiatic lion. It is famous for protecting Asiatic lion. Now question number 4. Name 2 migratory birds that visit Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary. Ibis, pelicans. कोई भी 2 तुम लिख सकते हो. 5 तुम्हारी बुक में दिया है ना, जिसमें से आपको 2 लिखना है. साइबेरियन क्रेन्स, आइबिस, पेंटस्ट्रॉक्स. कोई भी आप 2 लिख सकते हो. बैरोन्स. ठीक है. Write down Siberian cranes and ibis. ठीक है. What is the average temperature and annual rainfall needed for a forest to develop? Average temperature, write down, greater than 10 degrees Celsius, and annual rainfall is about 200 millimeter. Average temperature is 10 degrees Celsius and annual rainfall is 200 millimeter. Have you written? Now question number E1. List 4 harmful effects of deforestation. First, write down, decreases rainfall. Second, increases carbon dioxide. Increases carbon dioxide. Third, increases soil erosion. Soil erosion. Have you written? Fourth, destructs habitat. Destructs habitat of animals. Destructs habitat of animals. Have you written? Now second question. How do forests prevent soil erosion? How do forests prevent soil erosion? Write down, in forest trees bind soil particles with their strong roots. Thus, root prevents soil from being washed or blown away. Thus, roots prevent soil from being washed or blown away. Now third question. State the importance of forests to human beings. Write down, first, it gives us oxygen. Second, it gives us paper. Third, it gives us food and shelter. It gives us food and shelter. Fourth, it gives us wood for making furniture. It gives us wood for making furniture. Fifth, it increases the rainfall. It increases the rainfall by which yieldness of crops increases. Have you written 5 points? Yes. Now question number 4. Why are forests known as the lungs of earth? Write down, as our lungs take carbon dioxide from our blood and give oxygen to the blood. In this manner, forest takes carbon dioxide from Earth's atmosphere, write down, In this manner, forest takes carbon dioxide from Earth's atmosphere and gives oxygen to it, so it is known as the lungs of Earth. So it is known as the lungs of Earth. Now question number 5, how can we contribute towards protection of forest? हम लोग कैसे अपना योगदान दे सकते हैं फॉरेस्ट को प्रोटेक्ट करने में? राइट डाउन फर्स्ट, बाय मिनिमाइजिंग द यूज ऑफ फॉरेस्ट प्रोडक्ट. फर्स्ट, बाय मिनिमाइजिंग द यूज ऑफ forest products. Second, by minimizing the use of wood and wood products. Now third, by celebrating Van Mahotsav, as a festival. Now you have to learn these question answers. All question answers have been completed.